Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with my final video for what I'm making for my scrapbook buddies. Hey Lisa, Little Bit Scrappy Things, and hey Susan, Susie Q, and Awati, and Miss D. Hey Miss D Special Things, she's also part of our crafting group, and I'm so excited to see them, plus some other ladies. And we were supposed to be doing a pocket letter swap, so I decided to make one for everybody. So I have 6 to make, and I'm on the last 2. I just finished, so I'm just going to bring these up and show them. And I mentioned in the other ones when I made this for the the stuff it purse boxes and bags collab. These has candy in them, so I'm gonna get these out. I made one for each one of the ladies of different colors and stuff. So I will have that to take that to them. And then, like I said, I use Snow and Cocoa, and I use some punches and really just one guy. I'm not showing the goodies on the video because I want to surprise them. Not sure the videos will be up before I get out there, but I used this chipboard set, I used a stamp set, I used the washi and the ephemera pieces. So this is the Maggie Holmes doily. Let Us Know, of course, is one of the chipboard pieces. I covered the manila folder with the paper. This is a DaretobeCreative style that says have courage and be kind, and I just layered it behind there just to give it some more dimension. Then when you open it up, this is the envelope I made by my weird Memory Keeper's punch board. I put a frame around some ephemera, some string right here. I punched out one of those snowflakes. I die cut Just Because, which is by Bo Bunny. That's one of the die sets. And I got that, of course, like everything I got for this pretty much was from Tuesday morning, except for the sequence, I think, which came from the Dollar Tree, and the doilies. And of course the punches I used in dies, but the papers and stuff all came from Tuesday morning. This is January, wintertime. This is made with love. Again, this is Snow Day. That was heat embossed. That says Season's Greetings, and this one says love. And that actually, the love and the Season's Greetings actually comes from the In Love Art Shop, and I have a video separately for that. And that little gingerbread comes from the same mason jar die, which I'm not sure you can see that, but it's a mason jar right here made out of vellum, and the word love on it. That's a heart punch that I punched out with a little tiny heart. I will stuff some stuff on the back, and then I got one of these Snow Cocoa envelopes, bags, and I just decorated it, and I'm going to stick some goodies in there for them as well. So just want to get the video done, and then I will be sticking goodies in it tomorrow to get to them. So that is the first one, and then the second one looks like this. So this one says use your smile to change the world, and that one I backed with gold. That's gold thread and the month, and this was the chipboard piece, and of course the washi here. And so when you open it up, that's the envelope right there, and I just layered it and put a frame on. And again, I put the Just Because, some of Just Because in gold, some of the other Just Because are in silver. Just depends on how I decorated the envelope. And just use some ephemera, some string right here, the doily, and that punch, snowflake punch. And then that's the pocket letter. As you can see, I use the little ephemera pieces, snow punch, that's the Season's Greetings, and some punches in the background of snowflakes. Small Martha Stewart snowflakes punch, and that's a large Martha Stewart snowflake punch. Again, that ephemera pack, and that says Snow Day. The gingerbread, and that tag right here was made out of Marby punch. And this one says Hot Cocoa January, made with love. And this one says Kisses. This is that mason jar right here. And it says Kisses, and again, that's from In Love Art Shop, which I have a video to separately show you all of them together that I made. And then I will put some goodies in here in my little tag. And then finally, I grabbed the envelope from Snow and Cocoa, and I'm going to decorate. I decorated it, and I'm going to stick some goodies in here. So I just decorated with some ephemera, and I fussy cut all of these strips out from one of the 12 by 12 paper pads, but just like the font right there on that, so I cut them out and I edited it up there. So it was kind of fun. So I made 6 so far. This is my last one, and then somebody else just called it coming, so they're gonna be short because I'm not gonna have time to make another one. It's late. Anyway, it was so fun to make these because I hadn't done that in a long time. I still have my collection, my 2 binders, my 3-inch binders of pocket letters, so it was kind of cool. But actually I don't think I've made the folders for the pocket letters. I make these folders for something else, for a mini album, but I hadn't used them for pocket letters, I don't think. I can't remember. But anyway, it was fun to make these, and it was fun to make these for the girls, so I'm excited about giving them some goodies and stuffing it all up and putting my information in there and giving them their little trinkets and stuff, and getting my swap from them so I can add to my pocket letter box. So it was just kind of fun because some of the girls are new and they hadn't done it before, and it was like that was one of the things they always wanted to do. So it's kind of cool. 3 of us have YouTube channels and the other 3 don't, so it was kind of like nice to kind of have that balance and just, and they're passionate crafters too, and so it's kind of cool that we get to do this. So my videos should be up after we actually have our crop, so that they don't peek just in case to see it. So anyway, but it's fun to do that with your friends, and just bring some stuff and swap, and we'll have food and everything. So I'm looking for some girl time and just having a good time scrapbooking and doing diamond dots and designing on silhouette or cricket, whatever everybody's working on. So it should be a fun night. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.